Every now and then you could use a hand on the road. Mad J Repair and Towing can handle any towing job, light, medium, or heavy duty, 24 hours a day. Our team also specializes in accident and equipment recoveries, whether you have a car or a loaded tractor trailer. If you're only in need of roadside assistance, we can help you there too. If your truck needs some TLC, our heavy duty truck and trailer repair shop is ready to get your vehicle back on track. Whether it's routine maintenance or a complete overhaul, our experienced techs will get the job done to your satisfaction. For all your towing and heavy-duty truck and trailer repair needs, call the pros at Mad J Repair and Towing today. For 24/7 towing and recoveries, call 515-975-1897. To schedule an appointment in our shop, call 515-257-7357. Let us show you why we are still the best in the business.